Hello everyone, welcome back to Bro Trade. This is your host Red.
This is your host, Blue.
Today's stream will be a quick stream. Yesterday's trade hit its TP correctly. Okay, I've marked the previous day's high and low. We have seen an extremely high bullish momentum that has been seen from after it tapped into its support zone. But the thing is, because of the gap opening, there has been an extremely high amount of selling pressure that made the candle close right above the support zone. But we still are in a bullish phase. So yeah, this is a 4 hour time frame for marked a thing right here. What do you think? I think this is yes, this one right here, and I believe this one right here. Push a little bit upwards. So yeah, this hello. As you can see, this has tapped in, went up, then tapped in, then went up, and has tapped in again here, and has tapped in. So I think this is this is where we are seeing it right now, and this is where we are seeing it. Let first of all, let me just mark this right here. So this was the beginning candle that has just taken out slanting liquidity that we had right here. Right now, I think it can reach a little bit downwards because I still don't know what is going to happen on this. We will have to go to the lower time frame for that. 15-minute time frame. Swing low liquidity got taken out around here because there was a high extreme selling pressure. So right now, I think so many people that would have targeted the daily low got stopped out because of this swing right here, the previous chart. You remember, Blue?
Yes, I remember.
Yes, many people that would have targeted this daily low would have been stopped right here. Would have targeted this swing. We targeted the beginning of this, which is why we were in TP, which is why we are in profit. So yes, I think today I don't think so. The chart is looking that attractive because there is a high selling zone here. You can see there is a high selling zone here, which can be proven by this long upper wick, followed by followed by two the candles that do not have even a slightest bit of upper wick, which could indicate a little bit of amount of buyers. This could indicate a high selling zone here. This candle has just tapped in and shown a clean reversal to the downwards. This candle right here, this 15-minute candle. Well, in my opinion, I don't feel a good trade coming, but if I had to, I would have just put it right here, targeted this. This would be the trade. But the thing is, I do not think this is extremely good because you can expect a high amount of buyers here, which made the price go up, which made the price shoot upwards and close above here. And this is why I don't think so. But the thing is, there are extremely high amount of sellers here too, because as you can see, even though there is a continuous line of upper wicks, their lower wicks are extremely small, while their upper wicks are big, which means that sellers had forced the price a little bit downwards, but the buyers were still in control. But when they reached this zone right here, they reversed, and now they would continue downwards till here or till here. Maybe they would make a slight swings on the way. What do you think, Blue?
Yes, I agree with you. We are still not sure what's the bias. Anything can happen. Like you said, on the third last candle, there is buying pressure, and on the second last candle, it's there's selling pressure. So we are not
Yes.
sure.
Gold is kind of consolidating right now. Maybe because we cannot still hold. Gold is consolidating right now in this zone. As you can see, it shot upwards then went down. It has been kind of consolidating in this zone right now because of the tensions of the US Iran strikes. Because maybe I looked through Truth Social if there was anything Trump had posted about Iran or about the war, but there is nothing about there. It looks like as if he's been trying to, sweep it under the rug, not letting any media catch any news of what is happening there. The thing is, gold is slightly, trying to go upwards because, as you can see, wait a minute, let me go to the daily time frame. Gold is slightly edging upwards from the zone instead of the previous, shooting upwards from the zones, from the support zone. It is slightly creeping up, like here, slightly creeping up. But we still do not know because there is nothing that much. Well, there was the World Cup going on. Maybe that is why everything was, a little bit slowed down, or nothing was showing up about war. But we can expect another tensions to emerge during this week or the another week because the World Cup has finished now. I think this is it for gold. What do you think, Blue?
Yes, I don't have to add anything.
'Cause right now, I don't think so. There is anything else.
Yes.